Yiddish, a blend of German, Hebrew, and other languages, originated in the Ashkenazi Jewish communities of Central Europe. Today, Yiddish is still in use, primarily within certain Hasidic Jewish communities where it is the first language children learn. In fact, some Jews from certain strict rabbinical families exclusively speak Yiddish, eschewing English or modern Hebrew in their daily communications. So how many people today are fluent in Yiddish? Estimates suggest that there are around 750,000 people across the world who speak Yiddish as their primary language. This might seem like a small number in the grand scheme of global languages, but it's significant when you consider the concentrated pockets where Yiddish is the lingua franca. These areas include neighborhoods in Brooklyn, New York, such as Williamsburg and Borough Park, and upstate New York towns like Kiryas Joel, Monsey, and New Square. Internationally, Yiddish-speaking communities can be found in certain neighborhoods in England and Belgium. In the Holy Land, you'll find Yiddish speakers in Jerusalem, Beth Shemesh, and Bnei Brak. But the circle of Yiddish speakers extends beyond those who use it as a primary language. There are many more individuals who have some level of fluency in Yiddish, perhaps up to 1.5 million. Neighborhoods like Flatbush and Crown Heights in Brooklyn, New York, and Lakewood, New Jersey, are places where most people speak English as their primary language but are also fluent in Yiddish. In addition to religious communities, there are secular Yiddish speakers, although this is a rarer occurrence. These individuals usually use a different dialect than the one used in Brooklyn. In summary, while Yiddish may not be a global lingua franca, it is far from a forgotten language. It continues to thrive within certain Jewish communities, where it is not only a means of communication but also a strong symbol of cultural identity and heritage. So, to the initial question, is Yiddish a dying language? The answer is a resounding no. It is a living, breathing language spoken and understood by a dedicated community of speakers across the world.